Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel on another video on how to write mathematical equations in Latex using Overleaf. In this video, we will cover how to write matrix in Latex, aligning equation and operators like trigonometrical functions, sum, product and limit. So let's get started. Let's create a new section of matrices, but before writing matrices in Latex, we have to load use package AMS math in our permeable so as it is uploaded. So now writing section matrices and control enter compile. So here it is, matrices. Now first we are going to write plain matrix. So for that we have to use begin matrix and let's write 1 and 2 and 3. Double oblique means next line, 3 and 4 and 5 and end matrix. So let's compile, control enter. Before writing, write plan. This is plain matrix number 1. We are going to write 6 type of matrix. So this is number 1, plain matrix, 1 2 3 3 4 5. So in this way we are going to write another. Let's copy it and paste it here, and we're just going to change a single alphabet for another matrices. First we are going to write here parentheses. So this will be parenthesis matrix and matrix before we are writing P, and in the same way and matrix P. Control enter compile. So here it is, parenthesis matrix 1 2 3 3 4 5. In the same way we are going to write another, that is number 2, and let's compile, it's number 2. So now we are going to write number 3 and it will be brackets small b and here small b and compile. So here it is, brackets matrix 1 2 3 3 4 5. Now number 4 will be 4 and number 4, and it will be braces and it will be placed as capital B and here capital B. Compile. So number 4 will be braces, and so here it is, braces matrix. And now we are going to use number 5, pipes, and write V, small v and small v and compile. So it is pipes matrix. It will also be seen in mathematical books in our matrix and FSC level. And the last one is double pipes. Number 6, and small v will be replaced with capital V, and in the end section as well. Compile. So here it is, double pipes matrix. So in this way we can write matrices in Latex by using overleaf.com. So now we're going to write next section, and this section we're going to align equations, aligning equation, and compile. Here it is, aligning equation. So in this section, the standard Latex the standard Latex tool for equation may lack some flexibility, causing overlapping or even trimming part of the equation when it's too long. We can surpass these difficulties with AMS math. Let's check an example. Label it with Let's label it with JD, and we are going to write the equation A split, and now we're going to write A and equals to fraction pi square pi r square and raised to pi r square and 2. And for the next line, double oblique and we are going to write and fraction 1, 2 and pi r square, and after this will be end split and equation. Let's compile. So here will be the result. Let's wait. A is equal to here will be A and equals to, and compile. Here we also have to write equals to, and let's compile. So in this way we can align equation using Latex. Now we are writing a statement and align this equation as this equation oblique represents, we are going to write refer name JD represents the area of circle. Compile. So the labeled equation number 3 is written as this equation 3. So in this way we can align the equation using Latex. So in the next section, or probably that last section, we are going to write operators. Compile operators. First we will learn how to write trigonometrical functions. First we are going to learn how to write trigonometrical functions, or we can say trigonometrical operators. Example, let's compile example. Let's take an example. So bracket start, sine alpha plus beta equals to sine alpha cos beta plus cos alpha and sine beta. Let's bracket close, compile, control enter. So here is the first trigonometrical function example. Sine alpha plus beta equals to sine alpha cos beta and cos alpha sine beta. Let's now we are going to write summation or some function example, and let's compile. Now we are going to write let's separate this, enter, compile, control enter. Now we are going to take an example of summation function. Bracket start, sum underscore braces, in braces we are going to write n is equal to 1, in braces we are going to write n is equal to 1 or infinity, and 2 power minus n. In braces we are going to write minus n equals to 1 and bracket close. So here it is, summation 2 minus 1 power is equal to 1. So in this way we can write sum function or summation function using Latex. Third one, product function, and now we are going to write product function. Thirdly, product function example. Let's compile. So here it is, product function example. So let's write example, bracket start, product underscore, we are going to write I equals to A, product power B and Fi, function of I, and bracket close, compile, and here it is our desired results, product function f of I. And in the last we are going to use limit function, limit function example. Let's compile, limit function example, bracket start, limit underscore write x oblique 2 oblique infinity, or we're going to write infinity, and f of x, f in parenthesis x, bracket close, and compile. So here it is, our limit function, in which x is equal to infinity and f of x. So guys, that's it for today, and how to write mathematical equations in Latex using Overleaf. Hope you guys like this video and may learn something from it. See you in the next video on some other topics. Till then, take care, goodbye, Allah Hafiz.